covering over 6,000 square kilometres and with a population of over 24 million people, and having not one but two international airports, the city of Shanghai understandably boasts an efficient and low-cost public transport network. At its heart is the Shanghai Metro, and visitors to Shanghai who want to see the many sights and experience the diversity in Shanghai's neighbourhoods, well, they should embrace the ease of using this network of over 19 lines covering over 800 kilometres of track with over 500 stations. So just how easy is it to use? So if you're here in Shanghai for the first time like we are, then this video is for you to try and help you navigate the city's metro system. We've just done our first journey and worked it out, and we did need to work it out. So what we'll do in this video is we'll show you how we got a ticket to go from our hotel into Nanjing Road. Stay tuned. So let's look at how easy it is to buy a ticket. Chris, you got it working?
I did. I got that working. So we've got 4 tickets.
So you used the translate on here?
No, we've got English on here.
Yeah.
So what we did, we selected the line. So I selected the green line, line 2. There's your choices down there. And then you touch on the station you're going to. So we were going to East Nanjing Road, which is 4 stops.
Right.
So I touched on that, and it said next, and then you choose the number of tickets. So I've chosen 4 tickets, and then it says scan QR code. So you switch your Alipay on, you scan it, and it comes up. Put in your code, spend your money, you get your receipt, and then you get your 4 tickets out.
There you go.
Easy, 30
well done.
seconds.
Walk us through that again, please, Chris.
It says either select fare, press OK, select line, press station, select quantity. So we'll select line 2. It gives you all the possible options where you are. So we're currently at East Nanjing Road. If, for argument's sake, we wanted to go back to the Jing'an Temple, you just touch the icon. So get it to work. There we are. And it just tells you it's 3 yuan, which is 30p, so it's very cheap. Next step. They choose the number of tickets you want, so maybe just 1 ticket for me, and when you do scan the QR code to pay, that will give you your Alipay QR code, and then you can pay and get your ticket if you need to. Very simple. Awesome. Then the tickets will come out there, or any change if you've gone through with card, you can do banknotes, you can do it with coins. We're obviously using Alipay because we have quite large yuan notes, and we would end up with pocketfuls of coins. So I assume we now just do cancel because we're just doing a demonstration of how it works.
Thank you.
Scan it there.
On the top, was it? There you go. You can also use the official Shanghai Metro app that's shown on the screen, or even scan your Alipay QR code as you pass through the ticket gates. Services generally run from 5 AM to 11 PM daily. Signage is in both Chinese and English also. So one other thing to do, if you don't want to use a ticket machine, you can actually set up Alipay to give you a QR code which you can just scan on a sort of a barcode reader as you go through the turnstiles. There are some instructions by most machines. Obviously if you use your translate app to translate the instructions, you can do that. I have done that actually, but it's just as easy to use the ticket machines in all honesty, and it's only 3 yuan a ride as well, so it's a real bargain. So public transport in Shanghai, a real hit. Once at your platform, you wait behind safety gates, and signs display waiting times until the next train arrives. And you tap your ticket or scan your Apple QR code as you exit at your destination. Eating and drinking is prohibited on the trains themselves, but each station has plenty of outlets to buy food and drink. It's safe too, and there are security checks at every station, and over 10 million people use the metro daily, and we found it to be a quick and efficient way to get around the city. We hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.
If you enjoy what we do and want to see more of our adventures, please like and subscribe. And if you want to, comment below.